Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That will depend on the time you get in touch with our content. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case you're new here, or rather, in case it's the first time you're getting to our channel, or in case you've forgotten my name. I'm Masikarani, a Kenyan content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. Mostly, I major on house documentaries, rather house tours, and right now we've added a new segment on Airbnb. By now you guys have watched several videos on Airbnb, and yeah, this is a 3-bedroom where you expected to pay 4,000 per night, and in a 3-bedroom we're taking max of 6 people, but in case you have the 7th person, we can talk, yeah. So matters entertainment, we got you covered. We have internet connectivity. We have a router there. When it comes to keeping warm, we got you covered. Chilling, Netflix and chill, when it comes to our kitchen, our dining area, you and your partner and your friends, or rather you and the friends, you and your family. Yeah, hydrating is key. We take hydration very serious. Yes. When it comes to our kitchen, it's fully equipped, spacious. We have a fridge, microwave, our cooker, utensils, you sorted. In case you want to stay with us for a month, for a year, you sorted into matters storage. Can you see? Yes, please. Also, we have a dustbin there. Over here, we have our washing area and our washing machine. Okay? I said the house goes for 4,000 per night. What am I saying? Whether you're one person, whether you're 6 people, it's 4,000. Imagine. So you can see the advantage of, when you come with your friends, you 6 of you, you'll share cost. Book with us. Yeah, I'll be sure to mention my number. This is the common washroom. It's spacious. We have our mirror there, very clear. Our makeup babes, our makeup beautiful girls, we got you sorted. But then it's on this small sink, so I think that will help you matters brushing your teeth. Well, skincare, yeah. Okay, as we proceed, we have 1 bedroom here, another bedroom there, and we have our master bedroom over there, which is Ensuite. Let's start with the first bedroom. The fact that we have the 2 beds, I can't imagine me sleeping over here and my friend sleeping over there. We need to book. In this room, we have 2 beds. We have good lighting. We have wardrobes, which are spacious. Yes. Any question, ask on the comment section or get in touch with me. On this other bedroom, there is our bed, our curtains, the lighting top notch. It's just wow. Our wardrobes, quite spacious. we got you sorted, we got you covered. From this bedroom to that bedroom to our master bedroom. Master bedroom, guys, you people, my people, have you noticed that in all the houses I've covered, we have iron box? Have you noticed? Yes, because tutaki mtu avae nguo yenye iko na mikunjo kunjo. On our master bedroom, the wardrobes are spacious. The wardrobe is spacious. Six people, 4,000 per night, and 90,000 in a month, fully furnished. Imagine just coming, just you, yourself, and you. Me, myself, and I. You, yourself, and help me, guys. Yeah, so our washroom. And over there we have the, what we would call our bathroom. It's so spacious, so clean. By the way, matters hygiene, we don't joke. Matters hygiene, we don't joke. Our rooms are not stuffy, as in fresh air every now and then. Yo. In case you want to book with us, we are located 20 minutes drive away from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, 5 minutes drive away from the Athi River SGR Terminus, and our rooms are so spacious. 4,000 per night, 90,000 in a month, per month, sorry. Yeah, you can call me on 0703 60 76 86. Again, I repeat, 0703 60 76 86. You'll talk to Mercy Karani. Yes, you'll talk to me. It's so spacious. Matters entertainment. So guys, until next time, it's all. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't hesitate to ask me any question. I'm so easy to interact with people. Thank you.